So in this video, we're going to talk about or analyze together for the upcoming week market analysis, which is the 6th of July until the 10th of July. Okay, 6th of July until 10th of July. Okay, so the first pair we're going to look for the week is AUD USD. Okay, so as we can see, okay, market basically is in a trap. Okay, but if you ask me, I would say that it's an uptrend trap. Okay, why I say like that? As you can see, the market overall is in uptrend, okay, very clear uptrend. So a lot of buyers are basically buying at this strong support area, and then this level will be attracting a lot of seller in. Okay, so for this, I will be seeing a buy, but I will be wait for it to break and retest and go for a buy, or break lower here to have a buy. But both every trade that I mentioned, I will be waiting for confirmation, then I will go in for the entry. Okay, so this is for the AUD USD day one. Then look into H4. Okay, as you can see, there's quite some restriction when every time market reach this level. Seller are keep on pushing, so which means this level will be really strong in seller. Okay, but I'm still seeing buy than a sell because you always follow a trend. Okay, so this will be the AUD USD pair. Okay, so very clear. And then also market have formed a reversal setup. Okay, reversal setup for changing the trend from down to up. Okay, from down to up. Okay, another thing will be AUD JPY. Okay, so be basing my this is our key line area. Okay, this is our key line area. So a lot of seller will be just entering here. Okay, a lot of seller will be just entering sell, okay, but what I have seen is market have formed a setup. Okay, form a setup to going up, to go up. So what I will be expecting is market will going to break higher and then go further higher. At least the first level market will be going to touch in this level. This level is the market that going to touch. Okay, this level. Okay, and then another would be OD-CAT. Okay, OD-CAT basically very clear. It's in a range market. Okay, in a range market, as you can see, it's resistance and support. But another thing we can see from look into more detail, which is the buyer is getting stronger and stronger. As you can see, buyer is buying higher price and higher price. This is so-called higher price, higher price, higher price, and higher price, which means buyers are getting stronger and buying at a expensive, so-called expensive and high price. So which means they are not afraid of high price. Okay, they are not afraid of high price. So which means buyers are getting strong. So what I can expect is going to have a further upside. Okay, but we also need to see what is happening. Is going to happen on Monday market. As we can see, there's a potential of double top to be formed. Okay, potential that haven't formed yet. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, AUD CHF. Okay, basically this is AUD CHF. Okay, so as we can see for the past few weeks, okay, as you can see this daily chart, it's been few weeks that market just trapped on here because of market is low in liquidity, and then I also expecting the upcoming week market will be also low in liquidity, which means moving slow, just moving slowly. Okay, market just moving slow. So this Aussie Swiss franc, okay, for me it's not that clear. Okay, but for me that's not that clear. Okay, let's see. Okay, this will be my key level. Okay, so we can see market is going to reach this level soon. Okay, market is going to reach this level. Market wanted to go to this level. Okay, another will be AUD New Zealand. Okay, AUD New Zealand. Okay, so AUD New Zealand basically in sell trend. Okay, in sell trend, but we can see a lot of buyer will be waiting at this support. Okay, so we don't trade support resistance. So for this AUD New Zealand, I didn't see much opportunity for upcoming week, which is I'll be waiting for it to retrace up to this level first. Okay, seeing this level because of there are more sellers are defending this area, and then I will look for sell. That's why I look for the area that better sell area, which is the area that's trapped most of the trader. And then we go into H4. Okay, we go into H4. Okay, so let's look into this. Okay, be seeing this level for potential short. Okay, potential short. If those wanted to short, okay. As we can see from the left to the right, market story very clear. Market keep on creating low, high, and then you see in the bigger picture we can say is a range market. Okay, so called is a range. That's why maybe market can come up to here, but all the level I mentioned for my entry, I will be waiting for confirmation, and then after wait for confirmation, I will be going to verify the confirmation. Okay, verify. This is very important. Okay, every single entry that we trade, I'll be wait for verification, which is verified the trade. If the trade already verified, and then when the trade come back, I will be trading it based on order flow clearance method. Okay, the next will be going to GBP. Okay, so GBP basically, we can see the story from the left to right. Okay, market basically from downtrend they have changed into an uptrend already. Okay, so this level will be a lot of seller, of course, as we can see last week market get rejected. That's why if you can see a lot of seller here, a lot of seller market have get rejected. So what I will be expecting is around this area, market will form a setup and go up to touch this level. And market will be going to touch this level. Market will be going to touch this level. Okay, they will touch here and seller will be coming in, but I'm still seeing upside exposure. I think the market can break and market wanted to reach at least this level and this high. So GBP USD will be seeing for upside exposure, but of course I will be wait for retracement and go for a buy. Of course, retrace will be just reach my key line and I will be have a look. So where's my key line? My key line will be around this area. Okay, this area will be my entry key line. So I will be first targeting of how many pips. There will be around like close to 90 pips. Okay, close to 90 pips. Because if I buy in here, there's already increased my risk. So I'll be waiting here to have my buy order, and then my risk will be lower. Okay, so this is for, as we can see, the market very clear as an uptrend, high, low, higher high, and then this is so-called higher low. That's why this area will be very good buy. Of course, by seeing higher low, yes, it's enough, but not that much enough. Which is you actually, as a good trader, as an experienced trader, you will not just rely on one thing. You will be combining and explaining, but to yourself. Okay, explaining it everything to yourself. Okay, so AUD GBI, as we can see, basically they are all the GBP pair are basically the same. Okay, all the GBP basically are the same. So I'll be moving my key line to this level. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken a trade on maybe this size. If I'm not mistaken, I take it on. I just place a pending order here. Just let it trigger. So I put the buy limit. It just trigger and now in profit. So I'll be seeing this first level be of course until here first. Or Because why? Because of this level, we can see that this is the market acceptable price that mentioned before. So respect the market or respect the market. So basically they are the same. So this is so-called high, low, higher, high. So this one, this is higher low, man. This is higher low. Okay. GBP or AUD. Okay. So GBP AUD, maybe you'll be confusing. AY GBP, GBP USD GBP, GBP you're mentioning up, but this look like a down. Yes, you need to understand what is the correlation pair with. Okay, GBP. Just now we have mentioned on GBP USD GBP GBP, they are basically uh, pairing with USD and JPY, but this is pairing with AUD. So we have looked into the AUD pair earlier. AUD is going up, right? AUD going up. Okay, AUD going up. That's why this is like a seesaw, like a seesaw. Okay, one go up and another go down. So here will be GBP go down and AUD up. So it doesn't mean that GBP is weak. Okay, it doesn't mean GBP is weak. It just AUD, the power of AUD is stronger than GBP. That's why this go up and this go down. Okay, so very clear. Overall is an downtrend. So what we'll be looking into is uh, look for sell opportunity. Of course, sell will be because if you have looked very detailed and then really get attached with GBP pair, they have the character, their personality will be like to test the maximum level of the trade. So which is the maximum will be over this area. Okay, it will be over of this area key line. So I'll be just wait for here to have my short trade. If the market come back here, and then we'll be waiting for the confirmation and verify the confirmation. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so GBP cat. Okay, so GBP cat basically we can see very clear downtrend. So placing my key line first. Okay, yes, this is my key line. Okay, so I be okay. So overall downtrend. So basically a pin bar have formed, which known as a pin bar strategy. So I be seeing next week market could drop to this level, the first level of. But I will be verified this pin bar first because sometimes there's a fake pin bar. So what does it call as fake pin bar? Okay, as you can see, what I mentioned as fake pin bar. Okay, so as you can see, overall is downtrend, but as you can see, there's a lot of pin bar. As you can see, pin bar, but the market didn't able to drop, just go down and spike up. So this is what we call as fake pin bar. So we need to learn how to verify, okay, verify and which is the area of it. So this will be okay because of the pin bar have just formed at our key line. Okay, so this will be a trade for us to be looking into it. Okay, then of you should have your own money management. Okay, everyone, have your own money management is very important. Okay, okay, so basically are the same thing. Okay, okay. So for this GBCHF, we could see that market is potential to form a big setup, a big thing. Shoulder, okay, shoulder, a potential, okay, a potential. So this will be, I will be looking to this, okay, this. So this is so-called our no as neckline as well. Okay, if market break, then we can see for the upside. If market didn't break, I will still seeing sell side. Okay, so GB New Zealand overall in daily time frame we can see overall is a downtrend. Okay, overall that is a downtrend, but we can see market average as you guys can see support level, right? Support level. So because as well, AUD and New Zealand are in strong. Both of them are in strong. So that's why it pushed the GBP downwards. Okay. Yes, last week we have buy some. I have buy a GB New Zealand, but as you can see, hit stop loss. Okay, hit stop loss because of the New Zealand keep on strengthening, so it pushed this down. Okay, so as this lesson, what we have learned is always we better follow the trend. Will be very good trade. Okay, so here will be attracting a lot of buyer. So many buyer will be coming in because of support. Okay, so this support level, so a lot of buyer will be coming in. Okay, so but this GBP New Zealand basically this pair will be very volatile. Okay, and then spread will be so much huge. So I will be not look into this a lot because I'm not in favor of this pair. Okay, I just go through briefly go through. Okay, so in gold, okay, gold will be a very cute situation as I mentioned, cute CUTE, which is overall, okay, overall is an uptrend. Okay, so basically a lot of people will see, oh, this is engulfing bar, so market going to drop, but as you can see, without the verification, market cannot go down. So market still up. So still going up. As we can see, a double bottom form. So which means market is going for upside exposure. Upside exposure. So what I can see is market is going to have a further advance. Okay, further advance. So overall uptrend with very clear sign, high, and then this is so-called low, and then higher high, and then our higher low. So basically, market in gold still in an uptrend. So maybe a lot of people will be just fooled by this movement because last week NFP on Thursday market bring down, and then lastly go up because of if the market unable to close below, which means close below of this level, which means market unable to go further down. Okay, so many people seeing that while the candle are still moving, when the candle is still moving, they think, oh, already break already. So a lot of people close their buy trade before that. There's a lot of buyer in here because of buy at support level, buy, and then once they see the candle down, they say, oh, GG already, which means it's fail. Okay, fail already. So they close their sell order. They close their buy order and go for sell. Once they sell, market just bring it back. So a lot of traders are actually trapped below of this level. So make sure you are not trapped in this level. So always understand very well how the market move, and then what is the market story, and then how the market behaves like. Don't just blindly follow. Okay, and then you should be very firm of what you are using. If you are not understanding the market story, actually you can't be very firm in the future of trading because once you're understanding the concept and the human behavior, you can actually doing very good trade. Okay, next will be euro pair. Okay, so for this euro pair, what we can see is euro JPY, right? We can see that basically overall are still an uptrend, as you can see. High, low, higher high. So I'll be just having my buy trade over this area. Okay, buy trade over this area and here. So this is called so-called uptrend range. So we can have a buy then a sell range until this level. Then I'll be exiting. Another will be EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD. As we can see, basically we in a very big range market. Nothing to talk about this. Okay, Oracle range. So I'll be not doing anything while the market is just in the middle. Okay, Euro CHF. Okay, so as you can see, we have mentioned earlier, as I mentioned earlier, this Euro, then we mentioning Euro is strengthened, but why in Euro CHF look like a downtrend? Is because who is it pairing with? Because he is pairing with CHF, which means CHF are in strong situation because of currently, as we know that COVID-19, okay, there's few pairs in very strong, which means safe haven currency. The first will be gold, okay, and then the second will be CHF, which is Swiss franc, and then the third will be Japanese yen. So in here situation, we can see that Swiss franc is in strength. Okay, Swiss franc is in strength. So basically, I will be seeing if the market from here able to drop more, I'll be going for another short trade, or else the market can just bring up to this level and go for short. Okay, I will be let the seller to win first. Let seller to win. If the seller unable to win, then the buyer might be bringing the price to this high and have a drop because of we can see very clear this is overall a very good sell area. But another advice is market upcoming week, which is the upcoming week, the the 6th of July until the 10th of July will be we will be going to experience slow market movement. Okay, so as you can see, Euro GBP. So Euro GBP is basically in seller force. So I'll be looking into sell, of course, or going to for short. So maybe the market, I will be with the market to retreat to all this level. The higher it is, the better it is. The higher, the better it is. Okay. So around this area, look for short. Okay, Euro OD. Okay, Euro OD basically very clear downtrend due to what? Due to the reason of AUD is strengthening. So the key level I will be placing this based on this level. Okay, so just wait for the market, come back to my key level and have the short trade. Of course, or if you are a small time frame trader, you can just draw your key line in a small time frame. Okay, so if you wanted to know more about key line, so please inquire from our WhatsApp. Okay, from our WhatsApp. So our WhatsApp number is WhatsApp. Of course, because of key line is a kind of human psychology trading. So in a short class will be not enough to explain. You should attend our class to know how the human psychology work in key line. Okay, so basically a Euro USD are basically in an uptrend. So from the last week, we can see, oh, market trying to break here, cannot, break here, cannot, break here, cannot, because of this is our key line. This is not support. This is our key line. There's something that forming that helping and defending the key line. Okay, so this is our key line area. So what we're expecting is, okay, I can see this high and high. Can you see this high is basically higher than this high? So we can see that buyer is able to gather some force and then they wanted to have some upside exposure. Okay, upside exposure. So I will be seeing upside exposure. Okay, seeing upside exposure. Of course, look for your entry at key line because there's tons of market story and human behavior and human psychology are reflecting at that area. So key line will be very good for our trade. Okay, GBP, Euro, New Zealand, same thing. Look for sell. Okay, look for sell. So maybe this is the buyer support area. So buyers will just come in. Okay. Okay. So another one is NZD USD. So as we can see from the chart, okay, let me zoom out first. Okay, so I will be placing my key light over here. Okay, so for our members, you might think I believe that you can see this. Okay, so I'll be looking to H4 to have my trade. Okay, so I will be only wait for the market to this level. So maybe a lot of people will be seeing this, but I will be seeing of this level because this is a real key line level that the market wanted to test. Okay, market wanted to test this level first before going up. So I will be expecting a spike, might be a just spike and go up. Okay, might be a spike and go up. Okay, so the next will be AUD New Zealand. Okay, basically all of them are in the same key line will be here. Yes, okay, key line will be here. I expecting this level will be the market testing level. So usually, okay, basically you can take a trade here and then another trade you put here. Okay, so why? Because sometimes the market will be having a spike and go up, or basically a spike. Of course, if the market, even though market drop to this level, I would not say it changed trend. It's still in the uptrend. Okay, you actually need to understand the market behavior first. Okay, this level, a lot of seller are actually waiting. Many sellers are waiting for them to exit. Okay, so New Zealand chef. Okay, yes, basically as you can see, uptrend, very clear. Oh, high, so-called low, and then higher high. Very clear that this level is higher than this level. So just follow the trend. And like this CAD, oh, very clear. Yeah, very clear uptrend because even though as you can see market just trapping here but still following a trend. Okay, still following trend. So this is the importance of following trend. Okay, so for CAD JPY, okay, this will be the level for us to go in for buy. Okay, market have formed a very clear shoulder, okay, shoulder, head, shoulder, okay. So I'll be seeing for buy in this trade, okay, CAD JPY. Cause all the line I've drawn is basically our key line. So I will be trade based on this key line and be wait until the market touch. If the market didn't touch, I will be not entering because sometimes trading it require a highly discipline. It require high discipline. You cannot suka open trade. You cannot just open your trade based on your favor. I feel like today I'm going to trade, I'm going to make some pips, or I'm going to make some profit, then I'm going for trade. No such thing. Okay. So okay. Another thing we can see basically market is in a range of this quite big range. It's a big range. It's a big range. So this level, okay, if for those who want to sell, of course, if you're taking a sell trade, it's counter trend. But if you have looked and found a setup over this area, setup, yes, make sure setup, then we can go for short if you found a setup. If no, I will still think for buy. Okay, see this HF. Okay, so this I'll be look for sell. Okay, for sell. Okay, sorry, not sell. Okay, basically market is in a range. Okay, in a range, as you can see, from here, market able to drop to here. From here, so I'll be seeing something like this. If market able to go up, which means close above the line, then I will be seeing upside exposure. For now, I will be seeing as a range, as a downtrend range. Okay, how about US oil? Okay, US oil. Okay, very clear uptrend. As you can see, market is getting higher and higher. High, higher high, higher low, higher low. Okay, but I think something that the higher high, as we can see, this higher high is able to higher than this, but this higher high not that very higher than this high. It's not that significant, which means this level they are facing some very strong seller actually defending. So what we can see is market able to maybe come up to this level and maybe push by the seller and just drop. Okay, so be cautious. Because of what? Because of CAD, I expecting it going to drop. And then US oil, okay, basically US oil is also correlated with CAD. So basically they have their so-called same behavior. Okay, they are correlated. Okay, next we'll be going to USD pair. Okay, USD pair. Okay. Okay. So what is happening in USD pair? So let's look in the big picture first. Okay. Okay. I be seeing for sell in this pair. I be seeing sell in this pair. Okay. First we look into day one first. Okay. So this USD JPY I be seeing for sell. Okay. As we can see in a big time frame, actually day one is a range. So maybe market unable to reach of this level and drop. Seller is coming in at this level and bring the market in. So how we can identify this is when we look into H4. Okay, when we look into H4, so I can see this happening. Okay, this is what we know as double top FL. Okay, this double top is formed. So market just retest over this area and we see a sell. Okay, this is what we, when you look more to the market, more attached with the market, look more into detail, you found a lot of story that you would never been explored so clearly. This is what I mentioned as always, human behavior. Understand yourself. Okay, because during this kangaroo market, we are actually basically in a kangaroo market. So kangaroo can jump anytime, anywhere, any place. Okay. So another will be USD cat. Okay, USD cat basically also very clear downtrend. Okay, very clear downtrend. So wait for a high price to go short. High price to go short will be better. USD CSF also downtrend. So during our NFP live trade, okay, NFP live trade, we have also discussed on the chart that we mentioned that okay, market is going to this level and drop. As you can see, market really based on NFP, market really did touch our entry and give us a short, give us some profit. So for this, I will be expecting the same thing. retrace up to this level and have a short trade. Okay, so basically from AUD, New Zealand, every single pair I've covered, which is Euro pair, New Zealand pair, AUD pair, USD pair, CAD pair, CHF pair, every single pair I've covered it. So can you commit yourself to analyze like how I analyze? So for my members, but for outsider, I hope that you are really clear that what I'm trying to say and you really get some value from our market analysis, which is weekly market analysis. So if you really benefit, I hope from starting of this video, you can give us a like, and we will be sharing more information and more information, and then also more content for the market analysis. Okay, I do hope that if you are affordable, if you are able, join our class. Okay, I'll be providing you the one-on-one coaching. Okay, one-on-one coaching, which is we give you the best and then the lifetime coaching, because once you understand the market behavior and also the human behavior, you'll be able and easy for you to trading. Because just think like how a human trade, which is gambler mindset. I'm not teaching you how to gambler. I just teach you how to see all the gamblers mindset, but you trade on, everyone should trade on their own risk management. Okay, just see how people while dealing thing with anything with correlated with money, which is today if I tell you to do something, anything, you are okay. When I saying that, okay, if you're going to do this, I'm giving you this kind of reward, then your emotion will be immediately get changed. Because when human dealing anything with money, the emotion will be different. Okay, emotion will be different. So this is a very important topic for everyone if you wanted to be really clear and be an independent trader. Because in investment, in trading, the only thing you can depend is on yourself. Okay, so be an independent trader. Even though you are following tips or signal, also you should be independent. Don't blindly follow. If you blindly follow, we have experienced so much on example, we have seen so much on example. If you really don't have time to analyze, yes, you can follow tips, but when those give you the tips, you is your duty and is your responsibility to analyze the tips. Don't blindly follow. Okay, so this is Josh Chong from PriceAction Mastery. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next week upcoming market analysis. Okay, and see you and safe trade.